Hi everybody, it's Marcus Cox talking to you live from the mountain again, mountaintnetworker.com. This backpack we have here today is from Camelbak and has a water reservoir in it, and we're going to convert this guy into a filtered water system using the RX Puritii water filter. I'm going to slide it in the line. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before. They're a pretty ingenious little piece of equipment that allow you to go to carry a water reservoir when you're backpacking. This little bladder, they call it, in the back, just slides into place. It's got a little slot in there that holds it in place. You just slide it out, and you normally would fill it here. Unscrew that and fill it up. This is a 7-liter one, so it carries quite a bit of water. And then coming out the backpack, there's a little spout. You just you can have that if you're riding on your bike or hiking through the mountains or fishing or whatever. You've always got fresh water wherever you go, and you just use this right here. So it's hanging out of the backpack. Very nice and handy, and it clips in the back. The only problem with that is when you're in the mountains or out and about and you want good filtered water, you can't carry all that water, that's for sure. And you need a water filter much like this. This water filter here is a 3-stage water filter. Filters bacteria, viruses, chemicals, takes out pharmaceuticals out of the tap water, removes fluoride. It also removes radiation. If you're in a place where there's been radiation in the water, it exceeds NSF certifications as much as 100 times. You can see the specifications on Puritii, that's Puritii.com. It's got a lot of information about this little guy. But anyway, this is a perfect little filter to put with your Camelbak. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take my new Camelbak here and I'm going to splice my water filter into the line. Very simple to do. Just take a couple of clamps, snip it, put 2 little clamps on. You're going to need these little clamps here. And then put it back in the pouch and you're good to go. And now you've got filtered water. But you want to make sure you get the direction right. This is the area that would be going up the tube. So this is it sucks the flow of the water goes through this. The larger portion goes on the bottom. RX is actually coming out with another filter that filters 100 gallons. This one only filters 50. That will fit the Camelbak perfectly. You don't have to do any alterations. But I'm impatient, so I'm going to alter mine today and be able to take it out backpacking and run around and not worry about getting bad water while I'm doing that. So on that note, I'll come back in a second. Alright, so I've got my toolkit, scissors, screwdriver, a couple of clips. Just going to snip this right here. Just cut the tube. And you don't have to do that. I mean, you can take it off here and put it in at the bottom, but it's up to you. But I'm going to cut it right there. And then you just put the clamp on here, put the filter in, make sure you get the right end going up. Then you're going to tighten down the C-clamp. That'll take a little while, so I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. You can see I just cut the hose up there. I've got the C-clamp on here, and this is one of my existing straws from the RX bottle, and it's an extra one now because you get a new one every time you get a new filter, so this is left over from the other one. This is a 1/4-inch barb coupling, so you just slide it into here on the bottom of the tube, the Camelbak tube, and then this goes into here. So now I just cut this guy and we'll slide it into there and we're good to go. So I'll go ahead and do a little serger here, just measure it so we get lots of room, like that. Slide it on, well, we got to put the clamp on here. Slide that in there, then we're going to tighten the clamp on that, okay? And there you have it. That's how it looks. And if you're doing a lot of heavy-duty hiking and climbing and stuff, you might put another clamp there, and you might put a little duct tape around that. But for now, like I said, RX is going to be coming out with one that fits straight in line. But I'm impatient, so I wanted to get it. So I actually went down to Orchard Supply and got this stuff. So just put this back in the pack. Your new filter hanging in the little slot. And you've got filtered water. You can just pour swamp water in there if you want and not worry about it. Take this anywhere you go. And you've got 7 liters wherever you are. So there you have it. That's the demonstration today, how to convert your Camelbak to a completely filtered water system. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope you make use of it. Take care.